Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this very important video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix FPS drop while gaming in your Windows or computer, as well as how to boost FPS in games. So without any further ado, let's get started. And the very first thing that we need to do is we need to open the run. How we can do that, press Windows and R key together and then type regedit. Make sure that all letters are in lowercase and then click on OK to proceed. Your user account control will ask you to say yes, so just simply go with yes to be redirected here at the registry editor. Okay, so once you're here, just have to click this HKey local machine. Again, HKey local machine. Click this forward arrow and go for software. Okay, so HKey local machine and go for software and then click this forward arrow again and then this time you need to go for Microsoft. Okay, so highlight this and then click this forward arrow again and look for policy. Let's just select anywhere of this file folders and click P in your keyboard. Okay, just have to scroll down and look for policy manager. Okay, so once you found it, have click this forward arrow again and go for default. Okay, again, click this arrow so that you will able to see these three folders and go for default and click this forward arrow. And then this time, look for game. I just have to look at first application. Sorry, look for application rather. Something application here. Application management. Okay, so let me just repeat. Just have to go for policy manager, go for default, and then this time go for application management. Okay, go for application management. Okay, then select this forward arrow and then go for allow game DVR. Okay, so once you found that, just have to click that so that you'll be able to see this type and data under the allow game DVR. Here you need to go for value at the very list of this. Just have to do right click, go for modify and make sure that the value data is in 0. Okay? And then click on OK to apply. Okay? So once we're done with this first step, we need to go for the second step. Let me just close this first to show you the complete steps. So the next step is you need to go for HKey current user at the second. Once you found it, go for this forward arrow and this time go for system. Okay? So just follow what I have just performing here or demonstrating here in your Windows, okay? So just have to click this forward arrow here again and it will show two file folders. Go for game config store. Click on it and you will able to see this in your window. Then you need to look for game DVR enabled. Again, game DVR enabled under game config store. Here you just have to do a right click, go for modify and make sure that the value data is 0 and then click on OK. So once done, just have to close this window and restart your computer. Okay? So check if there are any changes in your FPS, if your gaming has worked well, and if yes, then good. And this video I will also recommend you a best win optimizer that you can use or you can download for free in your Windows. Okay, so here just have to search for win optimizer and visit a website, a shampoo and visit don't visit any website aside from this a shampoo. Okay, so visit this a shampoo website which contains this win optimizer free It is a remedy for slow Windows machines and make your faster and more secure. And one more good thing about it is it's free. Okay, so you can see here the four at the stars. It garnered a lot of stars, 4.5 stars, and it is from 548 customer reviews. So I can see that this is a pretty much trustworthy optimizer that you must have in your computer. Okay, so it frees speed ups your PC, removes junk files, and fixes common Windows issues. And it is no mere PC cleaner. It is not just a PC cleaner. It's also a comprehensive suite to apply system maintenance, boost the performance, and customize Windows settings, improve the security of PC in just a few clicks, and protect your privacy, whether you're running Windows 11, Windows 10. So it is more applicable. I mean, it is applicable and usable in all Windows. Okay. So one more good thing about this again is it's free. Just have to click this download button here to download it for free and to install it in your Windows. Okay. So that's it. Hopefully this video helps you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.